Unlock next-level baking with our top 5 must-have bakeware sets. From superior non-stick performance to long-lasting durability, these sets are designed to make every recipe easier, cleaner, and more delicious. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your baking skills, these affordable high-quality picks will elevate every batch. Discover which bakeware sets deliver the best results and deserve a spot in your kitchen. Number 1. Air Fryer Paper Liners. 1 to 5 PCs, parchment paper, air fryer liners, disposable for microwave. Non-stick air fryer liner square free of bleach 8in. Make cooking cleaner and easier with these. 8-inch air fryer paper liners, 125 non-stick, bleach-free parchment sheets, perfect for air fryers, microwaves, and ovens. Designed for mess-free convenience, they keep your basket spotless and your food crisp, making everyday cooking faster, healthier, and hassle-free. Number 2. NutriChef 3-piece non-stick kitchen oven baking pans, premium and stylish non-stick steel, commercial-grade restaurant-quality metal bakeware with red silicone handles, easy to clean. NCSBS 3s upgrade your baking game with the NutriChef 3-piece non-stick baking pan set, crafted from premium commercial-grade steel with stylish red silicone handles for safe, easy gripping, durable, non-stick, and effortless to clean. This set delivers professional results perfect for everyday cooking and home bakers who want performance and style in one. Number 3. Reynolds Kitchen's Unbleached Parchment Paper Roll. Non-stick parchment paper for cooking and baking, oven safe up to 425 degrees. Chlorine-free, 45 feet x 12 inches. 45 total SQ. Feet. Keep baking simple and clean with Reynolds Kitchen's Unbleached Parchment Paper. A chlorine-free non-stick roll that's oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for cookies, roasting, and everyday cooking. This 45-foot roll delivers effortless release and easy cleanup, making kitchen time smoother and healthier. Number 4. Nordic Ware Naturals Half Sheet USA. Made aluminum commercial quality sheet pan for baking or roasting. Encapsulated galvanized steel rim prevents warping. 2-pack elevate your baking with the Nordic Ware Naturals Half Sheet 2-pack. Crafted in the USA from commercial quality aluminum for superior heating and durability. With warp-resistant galvanized steel rims, these pans deliver perfect roasting and baking results every time, built to last and trusted by serious home cooks. Number 5. Air Fryer Paper Liners. 1 to 5 PCs air fryer disposable liners. Non-stick and oil-proof for easy cleanup. 8 inches square for 5 to 8 QT basket by Baker's Signature. Make cleanup effortless with Baker's Signature Air Fryer Paper Liners. 125 non-stick, oil-proof, disposable 8 inches square sheets, perfect for 5 to 8 QT baskets. Designed to keep your air fryer mess-free while delivering crisp, delicious results. They make everyday cooking faster, cleaner, and easier. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.